Hi friends and family, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer. On this channel we do makeup and beauty subscription unboxing as well as clothing hauls, and I do put shop with me vlogs. I recently just put up my Miami vacation vlog, so if you are interested, check that out. It's very relaxing, has some very breathtaking scenery and some glimpses of my honey and I, but for the most part it's just scenery because you know, it's gorgeous. Anyway, today I'm wearing my flamingo shirt. If you know, you've heard me mention before that my honey is the serious one. I am not. Actually, I call him my babe, and I call him babe because I'm totally mocking like the bae memes, so I call him Babe. And anyway, he's like the proper one, pronounces things correctly, so I mess with him and I say flamingo, and he's like, no, it's not flamingo, babe, it's flamingo. So anyway, I was so happy to find a flamingo shirt. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started for real. Today we're going to be unbagging Live Glam. So Live Glam is a Lippie monthly subscription, and you get 3 to 4 full-size Lippie items, and they can be a Lippie, a lipstick, a lip liner, a lip gloss, a bullet, well, not a bullet, but a lip bullet, and lip, did I say lip liner? Lip scrub, all things lips. And this actually gets shipped to me on the 21st of every month, so we are always unbagging the previous month's bag. So this is actually May's bag. Let's go ahead and let her, oops, I do this every time. I say let her rip, and then that's all that rips is that little teeny tiny bit. Alright, so you always get this cute little card with the theme. This month is Cherrylicious, and I love Marciano cherries, if I said that right. And the back gives you all of the colors with a little bit of info on that. You also always get a nice silk little bag, and I have to tell you, on my Miami vacation, I know that's all I'm going to talk about for like a month, I did put one of these little silk bags in my purse with my hand sanitizer, my chapstick, and any other little things that I didn't want to get on the lining of the inside of my purse. It worked very well, and it helped keep things out of the way, so you can always reuse these for those type of things. Like, go on Pinterest, check it out. They have so many ideas. Don't discard the bags that these come with, guys. Just don't do it, man. Alright, anyway, this month you get the black silk bag with the pretty pink lettering, and let's see what we got in here. So I do know ahead of time, the cool thing with this subscription is if you don't like the current month collection, you can swap it out for another collection, and they have at least 9 other options you can choose. And if you don't want to swap the whole set, you can swap just one. So it's either the one or the whole set, which I think is fun. Every month their theme, you get the theme on the lids of the Lippies as well. So this month it looks like we've got 2 Lippies and a lip pencil, and I'm always excited to get the lip pencils. Last month was my first time trying their lip pencils, and they are amazing. They're beautiful. Like, I have something to share with you at the end of this. It's a sort of a rant, but sort of like, and it's not a rant about this, it's about expectations after having Live Glam. Okay, so the colors on here are Wild Cherry, Cranberry, Sweet and Juicy. So I forgot that I usually try to not have lipstick on in these videos, but you know what? I'm just all over the damn place today, so please hold. And we're back. Alright, so I've learned to go with, you know, the brightest one last, but in this case, you know, I guess let's go ahead and do the liner first, because the liner is something we're always going to do first, right? So comes in this cute little packaging, of course. Look at that. Super adorable. This one is in the, oops, sorry, I don't know where my angles are because we're on my cell phone. Wait, what? Hold on. I can't get the same, like it just feels weird. All right, so here is the pretty pencil there. Look at how adorable and beautiful. I love these. I love this subscription, you guys. Look at how nice. Let's go ahead and put that on the skin. Ooh. And let me go ahead and, hi, hello, how are you? I don't know where, I think, okay. Hi, hello, how are you? I'm not used to the angle on this. Okay, we're gonna get my cute little Barbie mirror. If you missed this video, please check it out. It is all of the swatches for the Barbie palette from ColourPop. Now remember, this is not a professional channel, okay? Like, no judgment, we do what we do. If we make a mess, we wipe it off. It's just makeup. And if I look cross-eyed, well, then we'll get over it, okay? Okay. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and color it all in. Okay. So very pretty. I like this because it's not, sorry, I'm looking, so I apologize if my eyes are wandering. I like this color because it definitely doesn't look too bright of a red. I do like the cranberry shade on this. Very pretty. Again, here is that. Yeah, I would say that's a plus for me. Now, the cranberry color says that it is a luscious red, ripe liner to accentuate your Cupid's bow and assure your lips are always smudge proof. And that is the truth, you guys. And I just dropped. Smudge proof is the truth. I mean, look at that. For being a red, I don't have any color. So that's something I love about this collection. Please hold. Yeah, I sure could have a lot of bloopers out of this video, couldn't I? Alright, our next one we're gonna try is called Wild Cherry. It says it's a sweet and delicious red matte lippie that will flatter any spring look. So let's go ahead and check that baby out. And the tips of these are always the same kind of applicator. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's a pretty bright red. I'm not so much for the reds, but I mean, you gotta have some red in your collection. I know personally my babe, he's like, loves my red lips. Sometimes, like, when we go out, he's just like, it looks very nice. So it's good to always have, it's kind of like a little black dress. You should just always have a little red lip. Ooh. It has a little bit of a cherry scent to it. I really like that. It is pretty bright for me. However, like I said, you know, if you are going out, it's a very nice color for those, you know, nights out and things like that. Definitely something good to have in your collection. I do love that color. The last one on here is Sweet and Juicy, a vigorous Merlot red gloss for a juicy, fabulous pout. Now, I was excited for this one because I would love a juicy pout, because I pout all the time when I'm hungry. And just so you know, like, here is that same tip. Looks very dark, but again, it's supposed to be a gloss, so let's see what that does. Oh, very nice. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh yeah, that would be really pretty with the cranberry liner. Sorry, I know my eyes are all over the damn place. Okay, please hold. All right, let's go ahead and put it on the lips. I know, like I said, we're not a serious channel here. We're just a trying it on channel. I mean, I'm serious. I just mean I'm not a professional channel. That's what I meant. OMG. Now I know that because these are bright red colors, it was hard to get the residue from the last color. That's why I always like try to do the darkest or deepest color last, because of that. But this is my favorite. I love it. Look at that. Oh, I would have definitely, if I would have had this on vacation, I would have definitely used it. That's my favorite. So with this subscription, I love their quality. It dries down really fast and it stays very well. You do get some, you know, that does come off, like you will have to apply it after you eat, but it'd be a very light application. Also, I think that it's nice because it's not too drying on the lips. You still feel very hydrated. It is easier to remove. It's not like those ones that are gonna suck you dry and you can't remove. I really like these. And here was a little bit of rant, if I can even make any type of sense whatsoever, is I did try, okay, I tried this as both as a lip liner and as a lipstick, and it came off immediately. It smudged, it smeared. I was just really unhappy with it, and I think what happened is I've had this Live Glam subscription for just about a year now, and I have expectations now, because even with the lip gloss, it doesn't smear or smudge, and the matte lip always still, like, and the thing is, you can still have a shine with these lips, and it didn't wear off easily. Like, this is gonna stay. Like, what I have on, it's not like gonna smear and smudge. And so when I had this on for that, I mean, it was literally minutes, or like maybe just a Starbucks run or something like that, and I was so upset because it had smeared and got outside of the lines and all of those things, and I'm like, I look a mess, or at least I feel like I look like a mess. So I have high expectations now. Like, if they don't match this quality, I'm not gonna use them. I don't like it. I won't recommend it. So I do recommend this subscription. I will have a link down below. It's sort of like Ipsy. If you review, you earn points, and the more points you get, you can redeem them for things in their little shop, and they have thousands of items. They also have a brush club and an eyeshadow club, which I'm not part of. I'll get there eventually because I do love the Lippies. I did join to build my lip collection, and I've definitely done that. These reds were like the final piece to that collection, and I am very happy and very pleased. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment, like, and share. I would appreciate it. Also follow me on Instagram. I also do swatches over there as well. And we will see you next time. Okay, bye!